If only people knew the danger of this toilet cleaning mistake on number 4, they would not do so. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 cleaning mistakes to avoid when cleaning the toilet and what you need to do instead. I have 10 more tips on this topic, so be sure to check the videos I suggest after this one, of course. Let's do this. Number 1, around the toilet area for the most part is a home for this trio: toilet brush, plunger, and trash can, and these are often neglected when cleaning the toilet, yet they are culprits in harboring so much dust. Look at that, not good at all. So before you start cleaning the toilet, remove these items, and as you do, use a toilet paper to remove any excess dust on plunger and toilet brush holder, and then use disinfectant wipes or paper towel or cloth dampened with product of your choice or a disinfectant cleaner to wipe down the outside of the containers. This is just for regular maintenance cleaning. For a deeper clean, you can soak the containers in soapy water or a bathroom cleaner, scrub them and rinse under running water, but we're not doing that today. Number 2, I have cleaned a lot of houses, I mean a lot. And one thing I've noticed is that the side of the sink cabinet next to the toilet often gets neglected when cleaning. It tends to accumulate dust and grime easily, and if you have little boys in the house, you might even find some stray pee there. So here's what you want to do. Spray your multi-surface cleaner and clean with a microfiber towel, or you can use a damp cloth to wipe clean and then buff the area.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
That's it, nice and simple. Number 3, from my experience as a former pro cleaner, I have seen that many people forget to clean under the rim of the toilet bowl, yet bacteria and grime accumulate there very easily if not cleaned well. Shout out to Anna, thank you for commenting on part 1 of this video and suggesting we clean under the rim too. So here, using the right tools makes all the difference. Get a toilet brush with a rim brush like this one here. It helps you reach that tricky area easily and get rid of all the dirt. I also recommend this disposable Clorox toilet cleaner. Though it looks small, it cleans very effectively and is able to reach under the rim and all the tight areas in the toilet bowl. Look at all that foam, so satisfying. If you've watched this series, let me know in the comments which tip you like the most. Number 4, this is what I was talking about, mixing cleaning products together. So mixing different cleaning chemicals or products can be really dangerous because it produces toxic fumes and might make your cleaning less effective. For example, combining bleach with ammonia or acidic cleaners like vinegar or some toilet bowl cleaners can release chlorine gas, which is highly toxic and can irritate your eyes, throat, and lungs. No, we don't want that. I've seen a lot of this on TikTok, but it's not safe at all. Instead, stick to using just one cleaning product at a time. If you do need to mix, make sure the products are safe together and won't create toxic fumes. A good alternative is to mix baking soda with a bit of dish soap and a few drops of antibacterial essential oils. It works well and is much safer. Number 5, not cleaning the exterior sides or bottom of the toilet seat. I saw this picture on social media some time ago that I could totally relate to. It's so easy to skip cleaning the bottom part of the toilet seat, and yet it can really get gross if not cleaned well or if neglected. There may be some pee stains there or just chunk of dust. To clean this part, start by wiping away the dust with toilet paper. If you've seen my videos or part 1, you know the drill. Yeah, we're not going to clean without dusting first. I'm not kidding, look at that, see what I mean? Next, spray your disinfectant and wipe it down with a paper towel. For those tight spots, a cleaning brush works great too. Some toilet seat caps down here, they are removable, so you can lift them and clean thoroughly. Another remedy is just to install a toilet like this with smooth sides. That way you don't have to play gymnastics just to clean the exterior of the toilet. Would you install a toilet like this? Let me know in the comments. Check out the next video I suggest for more valuable content, and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.